guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to be testing out the Lens X Blendbunny and Lens X Glisten Cosmetics. This was a three-way collaboration with one of my favorite makeup creators. So I am super excited to be testing this out finally. So if you guys are interested to see my opinions on this and watch me use these products, then just keep watching this video. So first things first, this bundle with just the two palettes retails for $90. I got mine for $82, and then I also used code LENS and I saved a little bit of money. I did not use my brain and I bought from the Glisten website because I've bought from them before, but I should have bought from the Blendbunny website because they are based in the USA and Glisten's based in the UK, and I bought from the Glisten website because that's what I knew, so that's what I bought. But I could have gotten this probably at least a week earlier had I just bought it from the Blendbunny website. Let's unbox these. Since I bought from Glisten, we're going to start with Glisten. I have products from both of these brands. I love them. I love my Blendbunny palette. You guys know I love my Glisten liners. So I actually do think I have some of these colors that are in here, but having them all together in one cute little palette is wonderful. So this is the Glisten palette. It's basically a rainbow palette, but just like a rainbow in like a different kind of way. I absolutely love the fact that there's a giant white in there. I use white all the time. I have two of the Glisten whites. I have one that's like a full pan in a palette, and then I have one of these split liners, and my split liner is almost empty. So obviously you use white a lot, and I love that. I love all of this. All of these colors are beautiful. I am going to swatch all of the colors at the end, so stay tuned for that. Then we have the Blendbunny palette. Also, I really like that the palettes match the artwork that's on the box. That's wonderful. And I will say, when I first saw this palette, I wasn't sure about it. It seemed very kind of dark and a little bit blues and purples focused, which I like those colors. But actually, it is kind of a rainbow palette. A little bit. It's hard to see the rainbow in here, but I've literally watched people do rainbow eye looks with this. You know, there's no red, but there are pinks, an orange, a yellow, a green, a blue, a purple. Then you have black and white to darken or lighten any of those shades. So that's really exciting. And the shade Slay is the most beautiful shade I've ever seen in my life. Beppis is not really my style. Those are the only two shimmery ones in this palette. But Slay is going to be my favorite. You guys can tell it's like a duochrome. It's got some purpley blues, but then it's also green. Stunning. So, without further ado, we are going to get into this testing. Okay, so I have an idea. Let me zoom you in. I have an idea of what I want to do. I think I want to take Boo and then Nobody, Boo first, blend it out with Nobody, and then blend that out with Nailed It, and then take Slay on the inner corner. That's what I'm going to try and do. First I'm going in with Boo, and I know these are going to be pigmented because Blendbunny is super pigmented. Now taking Nobody. This brush definitely was dirty, and I did not realize it had some purple on it. Should I have cleaned my makeup brushes before this? Probably. I will say, I think I've already added too much for what I wanted to do. I think this whole section is too dark already. Now, this brush is not clean either, but I'm really hopeful that I've cleaned it off enough that it's gonna be okay. And I'm gonna take it into Nail Day. And I'm just gonna try and blend this blue out. Okay, the vision is coming back a little bit. I'm just gonna keep going back into those shades until I kind of get the combo that I was looking for, the blend that I was looking for. I don't have any weird earrings on today, just because I couldn't, I could imagine what this eye look was gonna look like, but I wasn't 100% sure how exactly it was gonna turn out, so I didn't know what earrings to wear, so I just went with ones that are kind of iridescent, because I felt like that would go with this. Now we're going to take Slay. Oh my goodness. That is buttery. Oh, beautiful. absolutely stunning. It definitely has some more green in it. Like, obviously it's like a base of like green, but it's very beautiful, very iridescent. I love it. I'm obsessed. I think the earrings go well with that. I'm gonna take a flat like eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna blend out some of that with Nail Day and then a little bit of Nobody. And I'm just gonna go clean that up real quick and just kind of like, boop. Okay, now I have to figure out what eyeliners I want to use, and I'm thinking like this little cluster right here really matches the vibe, but then we also have this dark blue down here, so I'm not sure yet. We're definitely gonna go with like some diddlings because we have to do little diddlings. I actually will probably do a heart on my nose. I don't ever do that, but in honor of Lynn's, I think I will. I'm gonna go into Maximum Slay. I think I need a little bit more juice. And we're gonna do some diddlings. I will say, as much as I love a little diddling, it's not my like best thing to draw. I'm not the best at it. And of course, in true Emma style, I had coffee this morning, so you know. That's pretty cute though. I'm gonna do another one in that color over here. So taking Maximum Slay again over here. Going into Minimum Effort. And I'm gonna do some diddlings, but without like the middle stuff. If that makes sense, like just the like little cross. And I'm gonna make them just like right next to these ones and just like a little smaller. I know it's a little hard to see. Also, I'm going to work like this later. So that's kind of exciting because I don't usually wear makeup to work. So like this is gonna be, not that people are gonna be able to see it that well, still we're gonna be looking really cute for work today. And then taking a much thicker brush, I'm gonna go into Don't Think, Just Do, and we're gonna draw some dots. I don't know, it's kind of like a night sky sort of vibe. I'm gonna go do that on the other eye and I'll be right back. And now, because you don't look weird with eyeshadow under your eyes, you're just not used to it, we're gonna do our under eye eyeshadow. So I'm thinking for this, we're gonna go with Lily. I actually don't know which one it is. And then Nail Day, we're just gonna do like the greens under the eye because I feel like that is gonna look good. Then Nail Day, and we're just gonna kind of blend that out. I will say, I love Lynn's, and her under eye like eyeshadow always looks really good. I still think I look a little weird with eyeshadow under my eye. That's just facts. I still feel like I look a little weird. Now I'm gonna finish up my makeup and we'll get into the swatches. And the eye look is done. I'm kind of obsessed. I think that it looks so good. I love these colors. I love the pigment. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So far, the quality, the colors, I love all of it. I'm obsessed with all of it. Okay, so here are the palettes swatched. I just swatched both of them together because Alex just came home with lunch and I'm trying to finish this quickly. These first three shades are the ones that I used today. And then here are the rest of them. This one right here, I think I actually kind of combined the two a little bit. They were one of the split shades, but I think it looks beautiful together. And to be honest, Beppis swatched actually is really stunning, and I think I'm really gonna like it. But people are gonna have to pry Slay out of my cold dead hands because that shade is life. That's everything to me. Very pigmented, very beautiful, giving rainbow and bright and beautiful. So that is all for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. And if you want to see more looks with the Lynn's Makeup Looks palette, just make sure to comment down below and what color should I use next? What kind of eye looks do you want to see? Anyway, I post new videos every single week, except for this past week. I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. I didn't post because of the holidays. Took a little week off, and yeah, I'll be back to every Saturday or Sunday starting today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!